So it is a Saturday. We went to a Santa Monica and Venice Beach for a biking. It was my first time biking at the beach and it was really nice weather. Everything was so good, less people. Yeah, it was like everything was amazing. Where are we going?
We're going to Rochester.
Yes. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. My housemate took me to this vegetarian restaurant. It's really popular in Santa Monica. I forgot what I ordered, but it was so good. And then we went to grab a ice cream. Which flavor did you get?
Honey lavender.
And
Strawberry.
looks really good. Okay. Good morning, everyone. This is Sunday. I'm on my way to campus. We're gonna have a transfer commuter tea from 1 to 3 p.m. I think. I am already running late. I'm gonna go with my friend. She's gonna meet us at the apartment at the UCLA. I'm late and I'm driving. The LA traffic is like worse than ever. So, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. I don't wanna stress too much. Fun, and we're gonna have a block party at night. I already packed my change at the back, so I'm good to go. I also have my food, but yeah. Yay. This is crazy. So many people.
Little dance off right here. Winner of the crowd needs to battle me.
She's steamy too. Ooh.
Oh, thank you.
Oh! Is it good? Yeah.
Oh my god.
See? They have a whole space for themselves.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
This is amazing. And just like that, it is Monday. I spend most of the daytime for doing my internship work until 5 p.m. Yes. Hello everyone. So I totally forgot to film before I leave the house. Today is Tuesday. I was supposed to go to Brain Bash, like a music event. But me and my friend, we got so tired from yesterday. We were out meeting new people the whole day. So my friend said she doesn't want to go. I'm like, yeah, maybe, because I had worked from 9 to 5 all day today and I'm kind of tired. But at the same time, I am on my way to the house party. Apparently it's there's a Japanese party thing going on tonight. So I got my beer. I'm not gonna drink tonight, but I brought beer. Yeah, so I'm on my way. 8:35. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stay, but yeah, here's the update. Good morning. So today is Tuesday. It's around 9:53. I went back to my house, my home, to pick up my dad because he had to go to the airport early in the morning. So I did that. I woke up like 6 in the morning and I drove him to the airport. But now I am on my way back on campus because we're gonna have a club rush. I forgot the actual name, but we're gonna have a club rush. I'm gonna go 10 to 12 p.m. I have my internship at 1 p.m. So I would like to be back home by that. I'm super tired, but it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna go with my friend. We'll see. The traffic is crazy though. Traffic is crazy. But yeah, traffic is crazy. stand by. Ayo.
I can stay here forever.
I know. It's too hot. Do you see Jihi? Down there? Oh, wow. 30 minutes. So we gotta go. Run. Hi. So I realized that this clip the audio was really craps, so I'm gonna voice over here. But basically, I was just talking about how hot and crowded and just the chaotic energy that the Club Rush had. Like next year, if you guys are freshmen, or like next year if you guys ever go to the places, I highly recommend to wear light clothes. Maybe wear as if you go on a hike on a hot day. So tons of water. If you have a portable fan, that would be great as well, I think. Yeah, but it was so hot, like that's the end. And yeah, I'm about to start internship. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday. It's almost 9. It's 8:44. I have a whole day. I have a whole day orientation for my major. We're gonna have a breakfast from 9 to 10:30, I think, and 10:30 to 2 p.m. we have whole like activities and like meeting the staff members and everything. I hope I can make some friends from my major. I only know one person. She's really nice. Like she's the one that I actually hang out the other night, but we only know each other, and it would be nice to have, you know, more friends in the major. I believe they also have like art performance, like food and drinks at night until 7 p.m. So it's a really packed day, but I hope, you know, it's just an exciting day. Yeah, that's all. The hill is really bad. There's so much work in here. So as I said, this day was really packed. First we got to see the back stage of Royce Hall. So many popular musicians and artists, they play at this hall, and it was so beautiful. And yeah, one guy was playing piano. It was actually really cool. And we also sit the seat, and they explained the history of the Royce Hall and everything. So that was really cool just to be there. I know, right? Like everything, it's everything.
Education outlasts everything. So that's kind of the philosophy of a lot of the world goes on. Look at what you saw inside the house.
Then we had a design media arts orientation. We were in the line for the lunch. We saw whole buildings There's cool printer lab, gaming lab. That was actually really cool. And another printing lab. This one is more just for the papers. And those are the halls that all the classes rooms are. So I'm gonna be there for like 90% of the time. Yeah. Where are we going now?
Gelato.
Gelato. So this is like all camp, like a dorm, right?
Yeah, then have this right here. There's a dining.
And then at night there are like welcome night event for the art department. We had couple events or club places. I got to have wines, that was crazy. There's actually a booth that we can make our own print t-shirts. The line was like 2 hours, I'm not even kidding, but that was worth waiting, and I got my t-shirts. Yay!
The one?
I'm in my first class and I'm doing the break finishing like 2 minutes. So and we're already doing the lecture, so I'm like, oh. I just finished my first class. The first day of class, chaos is real. I'm thinking to drop one class and add another class, so wish me luck. This is so cute. In case you didn't know, UCLA does charge for printing. I mean, I get it, there's so many people, but at the same time, like we're paying so much expensive tuition and then they still charge me just to print. So I think they're doing some kind of like grad party thingy. It looks really cute though. I wish I could go. So my first day of school is done. There's so much going on. Like, I have to drop one class, I add another one, and then I have to take care of my health insurance, my parking ticket, and everything at the same time. But yeah, this is what I wear today. I think it was okay. I don't know what I'm gonna wear for the next like 10 weeks, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the whole thing. I know it was a kind of a little bit of over, but I am super excited to make more videos about UCLA, the vlog, and just everything related to UCLA. So give a thumbs up, subscribe if you can. That'd be great. Thank you so much for 84 people who already subscribed. You guys are amazing. That's it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.